Today, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that a 40-foot cross on public land in Maryland can remain standing and is not in violation of separation between church and state. 13 News reporter Hannah Getz joins us now live in the studio with how West Virginia played a role. Hannah?
Pat, according to Attorney General Patrick Morrissey, he led a 29-state coalition in filing a Friend of the Court brief to protect veterans memorials that include religious symbolism.
We stepped up and said, no, this is permissible under the Constitution because this is primarily a veterans memorial.
With dozens of families out enjoying the state capitol monuments on West Virginia Day, the Supreme Court ruling seemed to really put the issue into perspective.
I don't think that it would be beneficial for this generation, our generations, or respectful for the generations that have went before us to just try to erase the history books of what happened.
Some people believe that removing those historic memorials would only take away from those whose names are on these walls, the men and women that sacrificed their lives to save ours.
Not only would it be pretending like history didn't happen, but it would be dishonoring to those who that memorial was set up to represent.
For Randy Mills, these memorials mean a little extra.
Every time I come to the Capitol, I always stop by the memorial here because my grandmother's brother, Jackson right here, Otis D. Jackson, he was a World War I veteran who was killed during the war and didn't make it back.
Being able to remember those men and women are what some say make the West Virginia history so rich.
My grandfather, Henry Mills, he was a World War I veteran. He was asked to unveil the statue here, the World War I statue.
Attorney General Patrick Morrissey says he wants to make sure there's always opportunity where people can commemorate veterans.
The coalition's brief was filed back in late December and officially overturned the lower court's ruling today. In the studio, I'm Hannah Getz, 13 News, working for you.